Welcome to our meditation journey. In this video, we'll explore meditation techniques for beginners. Let's dive in. Step 1. Find your Zen zone. Choose a quiet spot, your bedroom, a cozy corner, or even a park. Make it your sacred space. Step 2. Sit comfortably. Sit cross-legged on a cushion or a chair. Keep your spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Step 3. Breathe mindfully. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Feel the breath. Step 4. Observe your thoughts. Thoughts will come like clouds passing by. Acknowledge them, then gently return to your breath. Step 5. Visualize peace. Imagine a serene lake, a forest, or a beach. Feel the tranquility. Step 6. Send love. Silently say, "May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace." Extend this to others. Conclusion. Remember, meditation is a journey. Start small, be patient, and find your inner stillness.